if I don't wear a bra, like it just makes me feel like kuch hai hi nahi. Honey, your dessert's right here. I know there's a myth about, men with big feet. I don't know what the myth is about women with big feet. Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and I am so happy to have gone darker on my hair. I mean, that blonde as shit needed to go, and I'm sure you guys are very much in tune with me on that one. I have got so many comments and DMs saying that, girl, you need to do something about your hair. And I was just like, yeah, I know. And I'm so glad that I finally went darker. And note to self, Shruti, do not fucking bleach your hair. Your hair can't take it. Okay? And if I ever decide to go light again, play this to me and don't let me bleach my hair. Cool? We pals? Alright. So I have an exciting haul video for you guys because I did some major retail therapy the other day. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you need to, Boss Lady Shruti, and I basically raided, and I'm not even kidding you when I say this, I raided the Brands for Less store at Dubai Festival City, and this was a new Brands for Less store that was getting launched in Dubai Festival City, so I had to go check it out. And for people who don't know what Brands for Less is, it is basically like a one-stop shop for a ton of brands where you get discounted pieces which are up to like 90% discount. I am not even kidding you. I'm about to show you something which is, I'm about to show you something which was for like 12 dirhams, which is the I can't talk. 200 rupiah, like 220 rupiah. What the fuck? Like, are you kidding me right now? So I don't want to blabber anymore. Let's get started. First up is this super cute white denim skirt. This is not exactly like high waisted, it's sort of mid-ish waisted, and it does run a tad bit bigger for me, but I'm happy that I picked it up because I always have a problem with my hip to waist ratio, because my hips are obviously much larger than my waist, and skirts don't seem to sit well on me anyway, so I hardly have any these kind of skirts, and whenever I do get these kind of skirts, I have to cinch in the waist a little bit. I have to go to the tailor and get it stitched, so I don't it doesn't bother me as much, because for me the fit in my hips is what is the most important thing, and this fits really well, so I'm just going to cinch in the waist and I think it's going to be perfect. Next up is this super sexy lacy bodysuit. I'm like, when I hold it up like this, you can't see shit, but when I wear it though, it just gives me such like ooh, sexy mama vibes. Like it gives me like, I want to go on a hot date and just be like, honey, your dessert's right here. So I love kind of lacy bodysuits. I think they're super sexy. I am a big fan of bodysuits in general because I feel like that's just my vibe, that's just my style. I love the way it fits my body type, and I've been meaning to get something a little lacy for quite some time, but at the same time I didn't want it to be like, I didn't want it to look like a bra. I want it to still be something that I can wear outside, like maybe with a jacket on, or won't look like I'm wearing inner wear outside. So I feel like this is like the right mix, and I can really like play it up or play it down. Like I can make it sexy and not too slutty at the same time, if you know what I mean. So the way that I'm wearing it here is I am wearing a bra underneath, but if you want to be like super duper sexy and wear it for date night, if you know what I mean, you can wear it as is, but if I'm wearing it outside, of course I will either be like, I would be wearing a bra inside this. Also, Mama is like the flag bearer or the queen of the itty bitty titty community, and I am just not comfortable if I don't wear a bra. Like it just makes me feel like कुछ है ही नहीं. So I just always need a bra to like kind of make me feel like I got my girls with me, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I like this. Next up is this super duper sexy one piece dress. This is so sexy. Like when I first saw this, it was actually like, you know, I think I saw it when I was just about to go into the changing room to like try out my outfits, and then when I saw this, I was just like, whoa, this is actually nice. And I believe this was like 49 dirhams, which is like 1,000 rupees, and I feel for that price this is very, very nice. I do think that this is a smidget loose for me, like just a tad bit. With me, I just feel like I rather get things which are a little, you know, which have a little room of fitting, and then I can fit it according to my body type, and rather than, you know, getting something which is very, very tight and having to struggle with it. So I like it. First of all, I love full sleeve anything. I just feel that it elongates the, you know, limbs, and it makes you look very like sophisticated. I love it. I love the detailing on this. Like in the night when you're just like kind of wearing this and you don't even need a lot of accessories, just very simple accessories with this, you're gonna sparkle, honey. Sparkle like a queen. So I like outfits like that. The outfit kind of speaks a lot, and then you don't really have to bother too much with accessories. Of course, there are times that I like experimenting with accessories, but I do like at times, especially if I'm going for, you know, a night out with my girls or something like that, for my outfit to do most of the talking. So this is definitely a keeper. Next up is this super cute white one-piece dress. I have a picture up on my Instagram wearing this as well. This is so super cute. I was wearing this when I got to when I went to get my hair done the other day, and I actually don't have anything in my wardrobe which is kind of this style. I will have to say that this dress, even though it's like super cute, it runs a little short for my liking. I am 5'9" tall. I am just a little less than 5'10", so I'm just like absurdly tall. And if someone who is not as tall as me wears this, it might be better on them. But having said that, I think this is super duper cute, and I kind of just have to wear like white shorts underneath so that I'm not giving like a peekaboo moment to anyone, because I'm not about to be Marilyn Monroe here. So yeah, I think I just wanted to put that out there. But I love the fit of this, I love the style of this, I love the color of this, I love how it makes my skin tone pop, and yeah, overall just Ooh, next up is this gorgeous yellow maxi dress. Honestly, when I saw this, I fell in love with this dress because yellow is one of my favorite colors. I love the way yellow, you know, pops on my skin tone, so I love yellow. And I was just like, it just gave me like vacation vibes, you know. I don't know when I'm going to be going on a vacation next, so I just wanted to at least feel like I have vacation clothes. So I just wanted to wear vacation clothes so that I don't feel as much of a FOMO. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is honestly the reason why I got this. It just gives me like I am on a yacht and I am having the time of my life. Yeah, like when I wear this, I just feel like, you know, I'm ready to be cast in like the real housewives of Beverly Hills or something of that sort, because it just gives me that, you know, I'm rich and I don't even care about it kind of vibe. So love it, and I feel like you can do so much with it. Like there are definitely a ton of ways that you can wear it, and I'm excited to be doing like a styling video about it on Instagram as well. So let me know in the comments if you want to watch that one. Next up is this little bodysuit number out here. I don't think I have to even tell you this. I love bodysuits. I just feel like, you know, a nice well-fitted bodysuit, a high-waisted jeans, and a bag. Like that's for me like typical boss lady Shruti style. You know what I mean? So when I saw this, I was instantly drawn to it. I believe this was for like 15 dirhams, which is again like 250 rupees or something like that, which is great. And usually bodysuits cost a little more. I don't know why, just because they want to like attach those you know, underwear thingies to it, but I don't know why it's more expensive. But I love the fit of this, and the way that I'm wearing it here is with a belt, so it kind of cinches in the waist as well. Also, I love, you know, investing in basics. You'll hardly see me get like prints, because I know I'm saying that while I wear this printed dress, but I hardly have any prints. And even if I do get prints, it's like a very statement print, like either like an animal print or just something very statementy. I don't tend to like a lot of like floral prints, etc. on me. It's just the person that I am. I like solid colors and I like basics, and I like structured clothing. So this was just right up my alley, and I saw it and I didn't even actually try it at the store. I was just like, poop, poop, add to cart. Okay, I'm not sure if I should be showing you guys this, but we are all girls here, right? So I'm just gonna show you. I'm obviously not gonna wear it, so don't even. But I got this. I just feel like nobody's taking me on a date night, so whenever I want to like kind of feel, so yeah, it is just when I feel single AF, and at the same time I want to feel a little sexy, I am just going to wear this and light a candle, cook a nice meal, and toast to Shah Rukh Khan while I watch Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, because I think only he understands how to romance a woman, and no one else will do it for me. Next up is this white crop top that I have. I especially picked this up because of the neck line that it has. It has this square neckline, which I think is amazing. Even this dress that I'm wearing right now has a square-ish neckline. I don't know if you guys can see it, like it has a square-ish sort of neckline. I feel like it looks very flattering on my kind of body type, so I wanted to get it. And again, this was like for 15 dirhams, so I was just like, basically whatever I found for 15 dirhams, I was just like, aja, 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 aja meri gaadi mein baith ja, aja meri gaadi mein baith ja. And like I said, I love anything basic, white, cropped. It ticked all the boxes for me, so I just had to get it. Duh. And last but not the least, this jacket was literally like the star of the show. And honestly, I got it right at the end. Like when I was taking everything to the checkout counter to bill everything, I saw this, and when I saw on the price that this was for 12 dirhams, I was just like, oh. Like imagine this was for 250 rupiah. I don't know about you people, okay, but where I come from, the biggest flex is when I can tell people, bhai maine ye 250 ka liya hai, whereas you fuckers paid 2,500 rupees for it. Okay, I don't think it is a flex when you tell me you paid more for something that costs 250 rupees. You stupid. Okay, in my mind, I don't care if you guys think that, oh, it's like cheap or whatever. I am cheap. I am very happy being cheap. And all those expensive people out there, if you have extra money, my bank account details can be sent to you. You can do some charity work also. Okay. I love the fact that it's oversized. I janbuchke got a bigger size in this because I like oversized jackets are so much in trend these days. And again, yellow, one of my favorite colors. It looks great on my skin tone. I low-key even contemplated just wearing the jacket and coming home. I didn't want to like put it in the bag and wear it later, but then I was like, yeah, maybe wo thoda too much ho jayega. So I was like, okay, I will find another opportunity to wear it. But I was so excited when I got this, like really so excited. Next up are these gorgeous pair of yellow heels. I know yellow seems to be a color scheme throughout this haul. I didn't mean it intentionally, but this is how it is. I believe these are for 121 dirhams. For me, buying shoes is a major hassle. Like, it is so difficult for me to get shoes my size because, like I said, you know, when you are my height, I also have big feet. And I know there's a myth about, you know, men with big feet. I don't know what the myth is about women with big feet. So I can just tell you that it is problematic, and I don't get shoes of my size. So when I get a nice pair of shoes of my size, I'm like, I need it. And I love the way that it looks on my legs, because I don't have very, like, my feet are not pretty. Like, my feet are like, you know, so anything that makes my feet look pretty and like cute and dainty and girly and thoda ladylike, I pick up those shoes, because there are not very many of them. So I had to get this. I can't wait to actually pair this up with the yellow dress and, like I said, frolic around like one of those rich housewives of Beverly Hills. So yeah, just saying. Next up is this gorgeous, like gorgeous gold one piece. Oh my goodness. When I saw this, it just gave me like Priyanka Chopra from Dostana vibes. I was so like, I need this right now. I don't have her body in any shape, size or form, but I was just like, at least I can have swimwear which is close to hers, you know. I even wore it 2 days back when I went to the beach with my friends, and it's just gorgeous. The fit is really snug. Gold looks amazing on like tan skin tone. And I feel like one piece is not usually given a lot of credit. Like, one pieces can also look like super sexy, and I feel this is like a great example of that. When I went to the beach, I was completely in my element. I felt super sexy. I felt super hot and beautiful and amazing. When I went to the beach, I actually paired it with like a belt as well. Anybody out there who thinks, oh, like one pieces are not sexy, you're missing out. You're missing out. Like, one pieces can be actually very sexy. Give it a try. And what I like about this is that I can easily like wear it as a swimsuit, and I can also wear it as a bodysuit, because I think it looks beautiful in so many different ways. And I'm definitely going to get a ton of use of this. So yeah, super excited about this one. So yes, I think that is it for today. I had so much fun shopping. I can tell you, oh my god, like, retail therapy is no joke, okay? Retail therapy is so therapeutic. Instantly raised my mood, and I just felt so happy. So happy, and I was just like, yes, I can take on the world. I got some cute clothes on. I'm just like ready to take on whatever ish life has to throw me, okay? And yeah, so if you guys are in Dubai, do check out Brands for Less. I think it is amazing. They have like amazing, they not only have clothes and stuff, but they also have like homes for less, whereas like you get like home items for for a very affordable price as well. This is not the first time I'm kind of going there. I have shopped there before as well. I've even worked with them before, so this is like a genuine thing. Like, I really love their stuff, and what better when you get like a hefty dose of discount, right? I mean, it's COVID times. Grab that discount. I think that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.